Hello and welcome to the third part of this Artifact Your Springtime Blossom video tutorial. In this part we're quite simply just going to finish off the border and do a few little finishing tweaks just to finish off the effect. So starting off, we're just going to zoom into our document slightly, so go Control or Apple Plus just to increase the canvas size. Now what we want to do is take that top layer and we're going to use a layer blending mode just to get the blossom to show through the white areas of the picture. So if we make sure we've got layer 1 selected, which is our border layer, just above the layers you'll see a drop down menu. Now these are our layer blending modes. As default that'll be set at normal, and what we want to do is just change that to darken. Since we do that, we can see all of the white areas have disappeared, and that's just left us with the black of the border. Now obviously what we want to do is just to whiten out the outer edges of our border so it really looks nicely framed, and to do this we're just going to create a new layer and fill it with white. So if we click back onto our Artifact Blossom layer, it's labelled here as Hue Saturation, click on the new layer icon. Then what we want to do is just zoom out slightly so we can see the whole of the canvas. Select our marquee tool. Make sure that in the options at the top we've got Add to Selection. And we're going to click in the top left hand corner and just drag a rectangle just bisecting the top of our border. Once we've done that, we'll do that again on the right hand side, again just bisecting the border, also overlapping, and again on the bottom, finally on the left hand side. And we can now see we've got our running ants all the way around the outside of our picture. Now all we need to do is fill that with white. So if we go up to Edit, down to Fill Selection, Contents we want to use white. Our opacity is 100%, and all we need to do is just click OK, and that'll fill our border around the outside with white, just underneath our border layer. So if we now go Control D, that'll deselect our ants, that's Apple D on a Mac. And the final thing we need to do is just to flatten all of those layers down to one, ready for printing. So if we go to Layers, click on our Layers options on the right hand side of the Layers palette, just go Flatten Image, and we can see all of those layers have now been flattened down into a background layer. Now our picture is ready to print at 8 by 10. So that's how to artifact your springtime blossom.